Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you want to see how I got my hair from this to these gorgeous waves, then keep watching. I am going to be using the Bedhead Wave Artist, which creates deep waves. It does go up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and it does have a high and low temperature setting. And now I'm going to be going in with my Chi Silk Infusion so I can get a nice shine and also protect my hair from the heat. Now I am starting out on clean and blow dried hair, so I have also used heat protectant as well. So I'm just going to go through my whole head of hair, and I did leave the waver on each section for probably, I would say 5 to 7 seconds, because I did not want to cause unnecessary damage or heat damage to my hair. So I'm just being very cautious. And my very ends of my hair, I did decide that I basically didn't keep those on my hair as long, because your ends are the most fragile part of your hair. So I wanted to be very cautious of my ends to not create any unnecessary split ends and damage. But I am absolutely loving this waver. I've been seeing this all over YouTube. I'm not on TikTok, but I heard it was very popular on TikTok. And I did get the waver on Amazon for a really good price. So I will go ahead and leave the link below if you're interested. But as you can see, this style is super repetitious. I did speed through the video just because I know you guys don't want to sit here and watch this in real time, but I am going to go ahead and let everybody finish watching the video. If you're new to my channel, be sure that you subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. I love to hear from you guys, and let me know what video you want to see next or what product you want me to test out on my hair. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.